Kara na sige, obre na diha.
And then, di ay libreng ano.
Hindi, libre. Uy, regalo na.
Libre, kuan lagi, gift lagi.
Gift na galing ng
May gift ni Mamang. Uy, may $20.
Pakita
20
ang
million.
$20.
From Melvin and Amy. Wishing you lots of little moments that make up a perfect.
Ipakita din ang t-shirt.
Happy birthday.
Ipakita ang t-shirt nga to mirror figure.
Ang t-shirt na
Kana.
size XL. Oh, XL.
Extra small. XL. Ay, kuda.
Okay, the next is isa man ni? From Ate, kisa man ni?
I don't know. Kita akong ganay.
Yung Ate Tis ata ni. Ano ba? Ayaw magpa-open.
Kay ko ka itong gunting.
Ay, kay from Ate Tis. Uy, thank you so much, te.
Pakita din sa camera ang kuan regalo unsa man niya? Kwintas. Kuan fashion jewelry.
Necklace. And then
Kuan card.
card. Ay, happy birthday. Wow! Thank you, te.
Pakita didi.
Thank you, Ate Tess. And then,
Kita didi sa camera pag nag-thank you ka.
Oy, this is from Marna. Thank you, Dai, Marna. Today is more than just for your birthday. Thank you so much, Dai, Marna.
Pakita
It's
didi
a
pera.
reminder of how much happiness we in love.
Pero nahatag niya im
Okay.
$10.
Thank you. Kanikay.
Muna.
Muna.
Pero nahatag ni Tis.
10. Wow.
Perfume, I think. Is a perfume?
Mm.
Sige, mag-thank you na ka.
Thank you, Tayo.
Sige, what is that card?
On your birthday, with all good wishes, this will find you right choice. Happy birthday. Love muna. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye
That's
na.
all.
Bye-bye. Thank you for coming. Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you sa inyong regalo.